take a deep breath in and out. I arrive in this moment just as I am. Nothing to change, nothing to chase. The day is over now. All that matters is this stillness. I feel the ground beneath me. I feel my breath guiding me inward. With every exhale, I release the weight I've carried. With every inhale, I invite calm and softness. My thoughts are fading like waves at sea. My body is growing heavier, more grounded, more relaxed. I am safe now. I am allowed to rest. I thank this day for all it gave and all it asked of me. I honor my efforts, my feelings, my presence. Even if it was messy, I did my best. And now I let it go. I return to my breath. I let it guide me into sleep. I allow my heart to slow, my thoughts to quiet, my body to receive healing. The night is not empty. It is full of quiet support. I am held by the silence. I am wrapped in rest. Nothing is expected of me now. I am simply here. With each breath, I feel energy returning to me. Like water filling a well, my strength rebuilds from within. Each cell in my body restores itself. Each moment of rest renews my spirit. I surrender to this night. I trust my body to heal. I trust my mind to soften. I trust my heart to open again tomorrow. Even in sleep, I grow. Even in stillness, I rise. I am preparing for a new day. Slowly, quietly, deeply. Tomorrow is unknown, but I will meet it with grace, with energy, with clarity, and with peace.